Hello, I'm Max from Harper's. Today I'm at Chiltern Road, this really lovely 1930s four-bedroom semi-detached house. Really nicely located. You've got this train station, 5 minutes in that direction, about 5-10 minutes in that direction are the local schools. Really looking forward to showing you around this one today. So come on in, and if you want to arrange a viewing, I'm here doing viewings on Saturday the 22nd of March. Give us a call on 01 296 625 100 to secure your slot. Come on in.